The consumption and saving function. The consumption function was first introduced by an economist named John Maynard Keynes in his book entitled The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. Keynes assumed that the consumption function had several special properties, such as first, there is a certain amount of absolute consumption to maintain life even though there is no monetary income. Second, consumption is related to disposable income, namely C equals F YD. Third, if disposable income increases, then consumption will also increase, although in a similar amount. Four, the proportion of increasing income that is ready to be spent on consumption is constant. This proportion is called the marginal propensity to consume, or MPC. The consumption expenditure function shows the relationship between the current amount of personal consumption expenditure on goods and services by consumer, household, and several economic variables and the economic that influence it in a certain time period. There are 7 main variables. 1. Personal income or disposable income. Number 2. Individual taxes. Number 3. Real interest rate. Number 4. Consumer wealth. Number 5. Consumer debt. Number 6. Available consumer credit. Number 7. Consumer confidence. Mathematically is C equals F W T P R Y. Mathematically is C equals F Y T P R W D C R and CC. C is consumption spending by consumers. Y is income. TP is individual tax. R is market rate. W is consumer wealth. D is for consumer debt. CR is available consumer credit. And CC is consumer wealth. The nature of the function relationship between the proportional consumption expenditure variable by consumer and the 7 independent variable has the following relationship. C has a positive relationship with Y. C has a negative relationship with TP. C have a negative relationship with R. C have a positive relationship with W. C has a negative relationship with D. C has a positive relationship with CR. And last is C has a positive relationship with CC. The variable that most influence the consumption spending variable are personal income is Y and personal tax is TP. Personal income variable or personal income received by households that have not paid personal income tax. In order to be able to spend on consumption, personal income is reduced by personal tax. So it is called disposable income or YD equals Y minus TP. Disposable income equals community income that can actually be spent by the community. Disposable income YD equals C plus S, YD equals Y minus TP. YD equals is pendapatan disposable, C for consumption, S for saving, and TP for pajak pribadi. Parameter B is additional consumption that occurs due to additional disposable income. Show the slope of the consumption line equation. The consumption line equation is the comparison between change is consumption spending. B is a positive value that is lebih dari 0 and kurang dari 1. This means that if the income that is ready to be spent increases by EDR1, then spend consumption will change up less than EDR1 or can between written like this. This is a figure disposable income function. This is figure consumption function. The saving function is similar to the consumption function because it depends on income that is ready to be spent or disposable income. The saving function is the relationship between the amount of saving and the level of income that is ready to be spent. S equals F Y D. S equals amount of saving. YD is equals level of disposable income. YD equals C plus S. YD equals C plus A plus B times YD. YD equals A plus B times YD plus S. YD minus A plus B times YD equals S. S equals minus A plus 1 minus B YD. S is for savings, YD is for disposable income equals income that is ready to be spent. A for autonomous saving equals the amount of saving when disposable income is 0. 1 minus B equals 1 minus MPC equals marginal propensity to save or MPS. For marginal deserving to save and additional saving that occur due to additional disposable income. This is image of saving function. Thank you.